This is NelsonJM. So right now we want to solve a very critical problem that a lot of people have been asking question about. How do I find my school or include my school on the WAEC list if I don't find it after installing the software and searching it on this list? Now this list, if you just install the software, the database that comes in with this list is a database that by default was inserted by WAEC. So all you need to do is to get an updated version of the database. Now to do that, all you need to do is to close this page, come to administration. You see this update center details. Click on update center details, because even if there is a subject that was included in a later version, that subject will not automatically appear on the software. So you need to use this option for you to be able to update your details. So use this update center details, follow the prompt. By the time you follow this prompt, any school that is valid and is available on the WAEC list will always appear. And if you don't find your school, it means your school is not found on the WAEC list. You need to contact your state office for clarification and for them to help you out on the issue. So if there is anything apart from this, then there is an issue with your center itself at the WAEC level.